beast, baby.
What is going on, Snow Ram fam? It's your boy AC. I've been gone for a hot minute, probably like 7 months or something like that since I recorded my last video. But work has been crazy busy, no days off, plus holidays with the fam. I'm pretty sure y'all know how that goes. Anyways, I'm back at it. I got a bunch of content that I filmed over the last few months and prior to that as well. And I'm ready to edit it all and get it all put out there, so you guys stay tuned. I'm sitting here at Starbucks right now editing with my boy Joey. He's got some stuff that he's doing for his channel that he has with his wife. I'll link that below. Anyways, stay tuned and hit me in the comments if you have any questions, any special video requests. Gotcha.
Yeah, it looks pretty too.
Looks like it's just the front.
Yes, correct. I know, I wish it was 2 inches.
That's what she said.
Sounds way better.
That's the difference between a normal impact and the XR. The XR, it's got a lot more torque. Towed my car trailer with his Razor on it down to California. 8.8 miles a gallon.
Oh my god.
I'm like,
that's a TRX, man.
yeah, he calls me halfway down there. He's like, you know, I think I should have borrowed your truck. Why is that? He's like,
Would you have let him?
oh yeah. Fittings like that. You crack one of those and you're just in all kinds of issues.
Yeah.
Can't be that much air in this system, Jesus.
It is.
Okay, no springs or nothing, so
That's good.
we're good. These are lock nuts, so they actually lock on. Once they're tight, they don't come loose. Don't try this at home, kids.
Don't try this at home.
Only do this in front of adult supervision. The guy behind you making noise.
I don't know, stealth or regular? I like this more than I like that. That looks.
Clear for me? Yeah, I was just gonna say, it depends on what it looks like with nights on.
They look the same.